Hey there, and welcome back to another edition of the Home Tip Show. Today we're going to be tackling a common problem in older homes, which is updating your outdated light fixtures. In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an old ceiling light fixture in your laundry room with a brand new, beautiful, modern flush mount light fixture. This 2-bulb, round farmhouse-style fixture not only looks great, but it's also suitable for both interior and exterior ceilings, so it can even be used on a porch ceiling. And the best part? As of the production date of this video, it's available on Amazon.com for just $59.99. So if you're ready to upgrade your home's lighting, be sure to check out the link in the video description to get your hands on this amazing seated glass ceiling fixture. Let's do it. Okay, the breaker's off, so we're going to climb up there and do a quick assessment as to what we have here. So let's go ahead and remove these Phillips screws. Oh, there we go. Okay, so we're just going to place our bulb over here on top of the cabinetry. Our globe. We're going to take our 2 bulbs out. So we have as little weight as possible to work with. I'm not planning to reuse this, so I'm just going to go ahead and rip this insulation out so I can actually see what's going on in there. All right. Oh, it just has one center nut. So we'll get our pliers. We'll just take that center nut out. All right. Disconnect our wire nuts. As you can see, there are 3 wire nuts, one for the hot, one for the neutral, and one for the ground. Next, we'll remove the bracket that was installed as part of the original installation so we can replace it with the bracket that comes with the new fixture. We'll also carefully remove the ground wire that attaches to the bracket. Next, we install our new bracket using the same mounting holes that were used for the original bracket. After that, we'll go ahead and reinstall the ground lug and attach it to the house ground wire, which should be a bare copper. You don't want to tighten down the green lug screw until we are ready to install the new fixture, which we are here. So at this point, what you want to do is take the bare stranded wire that is the ground from the fixture and wrap it around that green lug screw on the bracket. And we're going to use that to hold the fixture in place while we finish the installation, which is connecting the wires from the fixture to the house wires, as well as doing the finish mounting. So now we've got a black, which is a hot, and the white, which is the neutral from the light, and we have a black and a neutral from the house. So what we're going to do is attach the black to the black and the white to the white. Now we're going to go ahead and make our connections. Again, black to black, white to white. And what I like to do here is wrap the stranded wire from the fixture around the solid wire coming from the house. Also, a pro tip here, it's good to leave your stranded wire about a 1/2 inch longer than the solid wire from the house. That way you can account for the length that you need, because it's using up some of its length to wrap around the solid wire. All right, now we can go to our neutral. If you like these types of videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Now that the wiring is complete, we can go ahead and mount it. Be sure to grab your washer and the nut that's going to secure the fixture to the ceiling. There we go. When you've got it hand tight, you can go ahead and use pliers to finish snugging it up to the ceiling.
If you happen to scratch any of the paint off the nut or off the fixture while you're installing the nut, you can use a Sharpie, as I'm doing here, to correct any issues. Because these bulbs are exposed, I prefer to use an Edison bulb. I think they look the nicest, and I like them in a warm white, so anything above 2700K. So we'll go ahead and install our bulbs here. It takes two, and they need to be less than 60 watt equivalent. These particular bulbs were just a little bit too big in terms of their physical size, so I would go with a bulb that's maybe a ½ inch smaller.
We'll go back out and throw the breaker. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. The breaker's on, then let's hit the switch. Oh yeah. Yeah, that looks nice.
So here are the ratings. The quality of this fixture is truly exceptional, and I was thoroughly impressed with the materials used in its construction. The fixture is primarily made from steel and glass, which not only looks great, but also ensures that the product will last for years to come. I could not identify any weaknesses whatsoever, which is a testament to the care and attention that's gone into designing and manufacturing this light fixture. So, 5 stars. As for installation rating, if you watched the video, you saw how easy and quickly it installed. You'll need a few basic tools for the installation, such as a cordless drill or Phillips head screwdriver, pliers, wire strippers, and maybe a Sharpie. Installation was a breeze as the unit comes fully assembled, so 5 stars. As for the styling of this fixture, it has a modern but traditional look to it. The manufacturer calls the style farmhouse. If this is a style that appeals to you as much as it did to us, you'll be pleased with this fixture. Thus, again, we give it 5 stars. As for value, I would have given it 5 stars as it comes with everything you need for the installation, except the light bulbs. So you'll need to buy your own 60 watt equivalent bulbs. We highly recommend you consider purchasing Edison style LED bulbs in the warm white color. So this gives us a final Home Tip Show rating of 4.75 out of 5 stars. Overall, I'm thrilled with my experience using this fixture, and I highly recommend it to anyone in need of a high quality and stylish light fixture. Thank you for watching the Home Tip Show. If our videos have helped you do something, provided entertainment, or increased your do-it-yourself skills, you can show your appreciation by, first, hitting the subscribe button. Subscriptions are very important to us and make this channel possible, so please consider subscribing to the Home Tip Show. Second, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. This tells the YouTube algorithm that the video is liked, thus it will prioritize it higher in their search results. Third, you can also ring the bell button, which will remind you within YouTube when we publish new videos. Finally, if you have any comments, questions, or input on this video, or would like to make suggestions for future videos, leave a note in the comments section or email us at thehometipshow@gmail.com. We read and respond to all comments and emails.